Here we are in Huye district where there are wetlands located nearby a bottom forest. And this swamp there are so many amphibians which live in the swamps like frogs and other amphibians. For this case, Christella is the one who is going to explain more about how amphibians can be live and the kind of them.
We have the toads, and then we have the frog bigger than the frogs. Frogs are usually in the smallest size, but there are frogs that are bigger. There's one species in Rwanda which is very big, and it is found in one place in Rwanda. It is in the Western province. That is the only big frog that we have. Other species of the frogs are not that big as the toads can be. The toad can be very big. And yeah, I think that's the main difference between them. Yes, amphibians do play a role in our daily life. There's ecosystem services that are provided by biodiversity to humans, and I'll say that frogs have their parts in those ecosystem services. Frogs, in some parts, not in Rwanda, but in some parts of the world, like Asia, frogs are consumed. Not only Asia, but in other places too. Frogs are consumed as food. They are also in Rwanda. They have a cultural value. Like they are totem animals. Abega, I know you know the clan. So it is also an importance that they have in our country. Amphibians play an important role in biodiversity. They are biodiversity control agents. They can be used to tell us the status of the wetland, so that the government can take decisions concerning the conservation of ecosystems of the wetlands. Yeah.
She continued to explain the handlers they meet with in protecting amphibians in Rwanda.
The amphibians are mostly threatened by the urbanization, because most places are being constructed into houses. They can also be harmed by too much agriculture, when there is the use of chemicals in the agriculture, so that it can be harmful to them. They also get sick, but there's still a need to study the diseases that attack amphibians. There's a gap in that in Rwanda, but they also get attacked by diseases, and also other things like they are usually harmed in when there's cultivation in wetlands, because they usually, when people are cultivating, they sometimes harm them using their hoe when they are cultivating. They can also be killed in the road when they are trying to go from one wetland to another wetland. They can be.
In normal life, people in Rwanda until now they are not familiar with amphibians, but the government is fighting for teaching them how they can be familiar with them. Ja Harimana, The Manifest TV.